Chi energy, a concept rooted in ancient Chinese philosophy, is described as a vital life force that flows within us all. This unseen energy has the potential to interact with our brainwaves, the electrical impulses that dictate our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Imagine a river, its currents ebbing and flowing, shaping the land around it. Similarly, Chi energy and brainwaves shape our internal landscape, influencing our physical and mental states. We'll delve into the intriguing world of frequencies, sacred geometry, and even the possibility of harnessing the power of our brainwaves to transmit electromagnetic energy. We'll also explore the art of creating Psi balls and Chi balls, and the significance of chakras in understanding energy flow within our bodies. As we delve deeper, prepare to challenge your understanding of the physical and spiritual realms. How can sacred geometry and frequencies shape our perception of reality and the supernatural? A question that nudges us towards a deeper understanding of the world around us and within us. Let's delve into the realm of sound frequencies. They are invisible waves, yet they have the power to shape our perception and reality. Frequencies are not just about audible sound, they encompass all vibrational energies, from the smallest particle to the vastness of the universe. Now imagine this universal energy being structured by a divine blueprint. That's where sacred geometry comes into play. Sacred geometry is the architectural language of the universe, found in the patterns of nature, the cosmos, and even within our own DNA. It's a matrix of creation that shapes our physical and spiritual existence. But what happens when these two concepts, frequencies and sacred geometry, intersect? They create a symphony of existence, a dance of energies that can potentially alter our perception of the real and the unreal. Let's consider the world of the paranormal, a realm that challenges our understanding of reality. There are countless accounts from various online sources that recount experiences that breach the threshold of the natural and the supernatural. Some of these incidents include inexplicable phenomena, like the appearance of geometric patterns in crop circles or audibly perceived frequencies that seem to emanate from nowhere. Could these be manifestations of the interplay between frequencies and sacred geometry? We're only just beginning to scratch the surface of understanding the impact of these two profound concepts on our reality. By tapping into the power of frequencies and sacred geometry, we can potentially tune into a higher state of consciousness, transcending the physical realm and venturing into the metaphysical. The line between the real and unreal blurs when viewed through the lens of frequencies and sacred geometry. As we continue to explore and understand these concepts, we may find ourselves standing at the threshold of a new reality, one that is shaped not by what we see, but by what we feel, perceive, and resonate with. Can our brainwaves truly transmit electromagnetic energy? This question has intrigued scientists and spiritualists alike for decades. The science of brainwaves is a fascinating field. Our brains generate electrical activity, creating patterns known as brainwaves. These waves, though invisible to the naked eye, are very much real, and they carry information about how we're feeling and what we're thinking. Now let's consider electromagnetic energy, the very essence that lights up our cities and powers our devices. This energy, in its core, is all about the interaction of electric and magnetic fields. What's fascinating is that our brainwaves are essentially electrical signals, which naturally generate a magnetic field. Research has indicated that these electromagnetic fields, produced by our brainwaves, can influence our physical world. For instance, certain meditation techniques have been found to alter these fields, causing detectable changes in the surrounding environment. So, can our brainwaves truly transmit electromagnetic energy? The answer, it seems, is a resounding yes. Our brains, it appears, hold more power than we ever imagined. How can we tap into our internal energy to create Psi and Qi balls? That's a question that many spiritual explorers often ask. And today, we delve into that very topic, the art of creating Psi balls and Qi balls. At the core of this practice is the belief that we all possess an innate energy. This energy, when channeled correctly, can be manifested into tangible forms, such as a Psi ball or a Qi ball. A Psi ball, in essence, is a concentration of psychic energy. It's created by focusing your thoughts and intentions into your hands, visualizing the energy flowing from your mind, through your body, and pooling into a spherical shape between your palms. On the other hand, a Qi ball draws its energy from life force or Prana, a concept that has its roots in ancient Chinese and Indian traditions. Here, the focus is on harnessing the energy that flows through the body's meridians or energy pathways. Now you might be wondering, what makes these two energy balls different? Well, the answer lies in the frequency of the energy used. While Psi balls are believed to operate on psychic frequencies, Chi balls work on bioenergetic frequencies. Creating these energy balls is more than just a parlor trick. It's an exercise that trains the mind and body to work in harmony. It's a practice that fosters mindfulness, enhances concentration, and promotes inner peace. And with time and patience, you can learn to create and control these energy balls at will. To start, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. Visualize the energy within you, feel it coursing through your veins, and direct it towards your hands. Imagine the energy pooling between your palms, growing denser and more tangible with each passing moment. Remember, this is a process that requires patience and consistency. It's not something that can be mastered overnight, but with dedicated practice, you'll start to notice a subtle sensation between your palms, a sign that your energy is being manifested. With practice, you can harness your internal energy and channel it in ways you never thought possible. So why not start your journey towards mastering the art of creating Psi and Chi balls today? It's a journey that promises to be as enriching as it is enlightening. What are chakras and how do they regulate the flow of energy in our bodies? Let's delve into the fascinating world of chakras. Originating from ancient Indian spiritual traditions, chakras are the energy centers within our bodies. They are the junction points between the physical and the spiritual. 7 main chakras align with our spine, starting from the base and ending at the crown of the head. Now let's imagine our bodies as a grand symphony orchestra. The chakras are like the musicians, each playing their part in producing harmonious energy. When balanced, they contribute to our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Yet we also have chakras in our arms and hands. These lesser-known chakras can enhance our ability to give and receive energy, acting as conduits for healing and intuitive understanding. Remember, energy moves through us, not just around us. Understanding chakras gives us a roadmap to better navigate our internal energy landscape. As we conclude, we invite you to reflect on the interplay between Chi energy, brainwaves, and frequencies. Marvel at the mystery of the supernatural, intertwined with our very essence. The journey into understanding our internal energy and its potential is as fascinating as it is enlightening.